This video is about the daily quizzes you'll have for each school day in this class. Note that you can only access these quizzes when they become active. So you have 5 of these in a typical school week. Monday, the Monday quiz will become active. Tuesday, the Tuesday quiz will become active, so on and so forth. So in other words, you can't do the Friday quiz on a Tuesday. It should just make it really easy to access this stuff. Speaking of accessing this stuff, there's a couple of ways you can do that. You can either go to the class plan here on the left, and you can click on the next quiz that's coming up. I'm in my student view, so this should look exactly like it does for you. The only thing is here that we have not got yet to this date. So this is not yet a live link. So this would be an example if I was trying to access Friday's quiz on a Tuesday. It wouldn't be a live link yet. But once it is the correct day for this quiz, you click on that item and you come in here. This will be a blue link and you'll be able to click on it and it will take you directly to the quiz. Now from the class homepage, there's another way you can access these quizzes that's particularly helpful if you have to go back and do one that maybe you missed last week. Well, you just go to the Content tab. Inside this Content tab, you select the unit that you're trying to do this quiz for. So we'll just say it's for Unit 1. Say you forgot to do a quiz from Unit 1. And then you scroll down, and let's say it's 1.02, so that same quiz we were looking at on the previous page. And again, this is not yet a live link, but if it was a live link and you were missing this item, you could click this and it would take you directly to the quiz. It's really that easy. All the daily quizzes in this class are the same one-question survey. It asks you if you did your physical activity for the day, if it was at least 30 minutes long, and if you will add this activity to your weekly activity journal. You select yes, you get 2 points. You select no, you get 0 points. It's that easy. If you have any questions, please do feel free to reach out to me. Here's the email address, here's the phone number, and I do receive text here if you prefer to text rather than call. Thank you, and let me know if you have questions.